Good morning! Our lesson is all about solving routine or non-routine problems involving multiplication of fraction. Learning task 1. Translate the given phrases to mathematical phrases. Write your answer in your notebook. 1. Trace the sum of 3/5 and 2/3 less 1/2 is what number? So, ang sagot sa number 1 ay 3, open parenthesis, 3/5 plus 2/3, close parenthesis, minus 1/2 is equal to n. So, hindi na natin ito isosolve dahil itatranslate lang natin sa mathematical phrases. So, kayo na yung magsasagot ng 2 to 5. Learning task 2. Translate each of the following problem into mathematical sentence, then solve. Write your answer in your notebook. Again, sagutan na natin yung number 1. Then, bahala na kayo sa mga matitirang numbers. Number 1. 3/4 multiplied by 16 over 21 is what number? 3/4 times 16 over 21 is equal to n. So, yung mathematical sentence niya. Then we will solve. We can cancel 3 and 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 3 divided by 3 is 1. We can also cancel 16 and 4. GCF noon ay 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then let us multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 7 is 7. So the answer is 4/7. Learning task 3. Solve the following problems. Write your solution in your notebook. Sasagutan na natin yung number 1. Bahala na kayo sa mga remaining numbers. Number 1. A room is 8 and 2/3 meter by 5 and 1/4 meter. What is the area of the room? So, para makuha natin yung area, i-multiply lang natin yung length sa width. So, 8 and 2/3 meter times 5 and 1/4 meter. So, ang given fractions natin ay mixed number or mixed fraction. Ko-convert muna natin sa improper fraction bago i-multiply. So, 8 times 3, 24 plus 2, 26. Then, kopyahin lang natin yung 3 as denominator. Yung 5 and 1/4 naman. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. Then, kopyahin lang natin yung 4 as denominator. We can cancel 21 and 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then, 21 divided by 3 is 7. We can also cancel 26 and 4. Divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 26 divided by 2 is 13. Let us multiply. 13 times 7 is 91. Then 1 times 2 is 2. So, 91 over 2 is an improper fraction. O mas malaki yung numerator sa denominator, we can change it to a mixed number or mixed fraction. So, i-divide natin yung 91 sa 2. So, the final answer is 45 and 1/2. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga gagawin kong math tutorial. Hanggang dito na lamang and God bless po. Thank you!